let's get started, guys. Welcome back again. For newer students, I want you to get used to this website because you will be logging onto this website a whole lot. I'm talking like every day. Okay, so the website, once again, if you don't remember, is tinyurl.com/nguyen. Okay, so let's see if I can actually zoom in to show you here. I'm not trying to draw stuff, but there it is. You know? Okay. Let's see if I can zoom this thing in. Practicing. Okay, it's fine. Don't worry about it. But that's our site. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's on it. Notice that it looks a little bit different today, huh? I'll try to have, yes, I will have it changed like every week just to keep it fresh. In addition to that, okay, fine, whatever. I'll play around with it. If I have a lot of students not liking the site because of the color, you know, then I'll change it. But either way, the important thing that you need to look for is, first of all, front site, on the first page is your syllabus. If you're new or if you want to read this again, feel free to read about it. And if you scroll down all the way below, yeah, I'm the only guy who actually chat this time. Sad. I told you. If you have any questions, any comments that you want to talk about, that you were already at home and you don't have a chance to talk to me about it, you can just go ahead and join this chat room and talk about it. Yes?
Is that the little scanning thing?
No. This is a today's meet.
But where is that?
This is on the website. All you have to do is just it's underneath our course syllabus. Just scroll all the way down. And you'll see this, and you just have to log in. For example, once again, I'm logging again and say, "Hi class, how are you doing now?" You know? So I'll say something like that, and if you feel like you want to answer it, not now, but later on.
So we're going to be messaging you?
Huh?
We're going to be messaging.
Yes, basically. But you're not just me. As long as you're on here, the whole class, every single class member will have access to this. So you're basically chatting with 100-something students. Okay? So do use this service that I have for you. Yes, you have a question too.
Wait, what video is this about anyways? Like for
Just a general look and feel of the course website, so you kind of familiarize yourself with this. Again, okay? But I'm going to point out everything. Yes?
I think you should do a different class because this is too much questions.
That's fine. It's fine. I love it. I love questions. All right, moving on. Next thing. When you get home tonight, the first thing that I want you to do is click on Algebra Textbook Inventory. Click on it. Okay? I'm showing you, and it will be online for you to look at it as well. So you look at Algebra Textbook Inventory. You just have to enter your last name, comma, first name. Notice I said last name, comma, first name. I did not say first and last. It's last name, comma, first name. Enter your student ID. Make sure you verify that it is correct. Enter your period. This is not first period. It's fifth to change it. And of course, enter your book number, the one you just got today, your big textbook. Okay? Where do you find your number?
On the side.
It's actually on top of your textbook with the red numbers. On top. You see the red numbers? Yeah, that is your textbook number. I want you to enter your textbook number and hit submit.
Oh, here it is.
Okay, the top one with red color. Okay? That's all you do for textbook inventory. Hit submit and you are done with that first homework assignment. One out of the many, guys. So don't feel like, oh my gosh, that's easy. You know, that's all I have to do tonight? No, not true. This is like 1 out of a million, you know? Okay. Any questions on textbook inventory? What I want you to understand is that I want you to leave everything at home. Never bring back anything anymore. For your textbook, your 2 workbooks, they will be left at home. Okay? Any question on that? Okay. Here's your next thing to do. Yes?
Then why do we get them if we're not using it?
No, you will use it. But every time I assign something, you just have to go back to your workbook and tear it out. You see it? So, the next thing that I want you to do is to go back here to Blocksters and QR stuff. Notice it used to be what tab? Anyone notice? What tab do we used to have in place of Blocksters and QR stuff?
Oh, the parent thing. Wait, no, that green sheet that we have to sign?
No. The interactive poster, remember the link?
Oh,
Yeah,
that was on
it's
that.
not there anymore. So I replaced that with Blocksters and QR stuff. Well, when you click on that one, what do you see? Well, first of all, I know you can't see much here, but right here, this blank area, if you're at home, you will see it. It's a YouTube video of me tutoring you on how to use Blocksters and QR stuff. Notice I actually put everything onto one site. Here's your Glockster, and here is your QR stuff right beneath it. I know it's still loading, but here it is. Here's QR stuff. See
Is
it?
it gonna be ours, the one that we used? Or
Yeah, basically. So, it's on the same site. So for newer students, your poem, obviously if you need to know how to work your poem, just watch the video clip that I have here. I know it's invisible right now, but it should be there when you go home. And then it tells you exactly what to do to get your poem published online. Okay, so just go through the tutorial that I have for you. And if you still have any questions, you can certainly chat with me online using our today's meets. Okay, so that's what I need you to do. Now, yes,
Can we do that right now? Like if we have time or something?
unfortunately, we don't have time. That's the thing. We will eventually get on a computer this week, and then we'll see. Okay. Next thing, for all of you who have done your Glockster already and sent me an QR code, good job, right?
Yes.
However, I need you to do one extra step for me. Okay. But if you're just starting, I'm giving you one extra day to get the whole thing done correctly. What you do is you go to, notice there's a new tab, Daily Lesson and Homework. You see that new tab right there?
Yes.
Click on that. Actually, you don't need to click on it. Just, put your cursor on it and you see another list pop down right here down below. And you see personal poem submission. See that? Now click on that one. If you click on the personal poem submission, you will see another form. It asks you to type in your last name, comma, first name, your period. But look here. I want you to paste in your Glockster URL right onto our site. Okay? Oh, I misspelled that. Don't worry, it will be updated after you leave this classroom. Guaranteed. Trust me. You know what? No, I'll update it right now. I don't like it. I'll update the Glockster right now, okay? Right here. Relax.
Can you make your own website?
Oh, you want to learn about it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh.
Never mind.
Wait, is this getting recorded right now?
Yes, it is. I'm
Hi,
after.
Mom.
Okay. Shh. Okay. There it is. It's updated. It's done. I'm saving it. And if you go back, it should be updated instantaneously if I refresh it. Here we go. There you go. Glockster. Got it. Okay. So we got it fixed right away. Good. Good catch. See, I didn't catch it. Hit submit. Here's another thing that you have to do right after your submission. Read this carefully. It says your last step is to log into the site below. It's already here. Using Algebra as your password. So if you type in Algebra and log in, it will prompt you to choose file. What file do I want you to attach this time? It's your QR code file. Okay, I want a record of it online as well. So because of that, I want you to go to the QR code file that you drag out onto your desktop already. Choose that file and then submit it to me. Upload it. Okay? But before you upload your QR code file, I want you to rename your file. Do you know how to rename a file?
No.
Never?
Yes.
Okay. If you're on PC, all you have to do is right-click and then rename. Right? If you're on a Mac, you can just go ahead and one-click to highlight and then wait for about 2 seconds and then click on it again and it allows you to change it. See it? So that's how you change your file's name. Yes.
What if are we supposed to do that?
Yes, I want you to change your file name.
You already deleted everything.
Then you can restart again. It's fine.
Redo the whole
No. You already had your Glockster site, right?
Yeah.
Take the URL, put it back into your QR code, and then generate a QR code file again. It doesn't take that long. And I already have everything right here for you. Just go to Glockster and QR stuff. And just basically go in here and paste your link in here.
Have to do that tonight.
Yes, please. That's part of your homework assignments. Okay? Part. All right.
You should you should get little. Oh yeah, we get to.
Okay. So once you're done with that, choose your file. Be sure to name it the way that I want you to name it. For example, right here, I already have it a sample right here. I want first name, last name, period. That's how I want you to change and name your QR code file. Once you're done, choose that file, upload it. If any questions, please email me. Okay? So this is another process that I want you to go through. And of course, if I don't see your name, your submissions, I will definitely bug you until I have the complete list. I want this list to be displayed for everyone to see, including your parents. Okay? So that's your next homework assignment. Any questions so far?
Wait, what do you mean the list? What's
I will show you when everyone submits, you know, the Glockster. Yes.
You're gonna make a. Go ahead.
When we go on the Glockster and whatever.
QR stuff?
All that's gonna be on there. We don't need to go on other sites.
Yes. Yes.
It's all gonna be right there.
Yes. That's why I exclusively put a tab for it. Yes.
I can't log onto that thingy tiny Earl thing on my computer. Only my phone.
Because probably you type it in wrong.
It's URL.
tinyurl.com.
I know what she said.
I remember because you're.
Okay, if you have question, you have your phone, right? Okay, I'll help you log in later.
In my phone, I could, but not on the computer.
Oh, something's wrong with your computer then. It should be able to log in just fine. I'm pretty sure. Everyone in this class was able to log in, right? Fine.
Sometimes it freezes.
I know because sometimes we have a lot of people trying to log in at the same time.
Go on the Syllabus and it has a little link, right?
Okay, next step. Personal poem submission is done. You got that taken care of. Then, if you notice right here, what I want you to do next is to go to daily lesson and homework again. Notice that I have chapter 1 added. Yes, we are starting on chapter 1. If you click on that, the first thing that you will see is, guess what? Our calendar for this chapter. Don't ask me for a calendar because it's already here online. You can print it if you want to. You can zoom in to make it bigger and, you know, whatever. And notice here, for today, this is our homework assignments. It says to distribute textbook, or you already got your textbook. And the worksheet for today is decimal review. You went home, you try to check your binder to look for this worksheet, and it's not there. What do?
It's in your book.
It's not in your book either.
You message you.
Oh, either message me, or, look. Every time you need to look for an assignment, go all the way down here, and it says what down here? 8/20/2012, decimal review.
Okay.
So all the assignments will be displayed down below underneath the calendar. Okay? So let's say you need to have access to this worksheet or whatever page that I'm assigning. Click on it, and you will get this worksheet.
We copy that down on a piece of paper.
And then, here's the thing. You work this problem out, right? Everything on a piece of paper.
You submit it just from the computer.
And then, hold on, once you're done working all the answers out, you scroll all the way down, and you realize there is a submission form. You type in your last and first name, your student ID, your email address, because I'm trying to get your score sent to you right away, if possible.
In that order?
I don't know, you tell me. But look, you answer the questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way. Once you're done, notice it's section, right? Add and subtract sections. So it's mirror what I have up here for you. And then you just type in your answers, and once you're done, hit submit.
When you go home, is this like all you do?
Yes.
And they got social studies. It's too much.
Okay. Any question on how to work on the homework assignment? Submit it. It's online.
How come it goes 892?
Where?
Because those are your
Right
that's
there.
the
It
question.
goes
8?
7,
This is 9A. This is 9B. Because number 9 has 2 parts to it. So I'm separate.
So it's 3.
Look. Here's number 9. Let me show you why I have. See, 2 blanks. So 9A, 9B.
Oh, I thought it said 92.
Okay. Look at it carefully. I know it's kind of hard to see it up here, but it's already there. So what I'm trying to do, I'm hoping it will work, but the website's down right now, but I still want your answers here. So this is how you would submit your answers to me. Okay? And that will get you credit for the homework assignments.
So like if we were absent, we could just do our own.
And technically, even if you're absent, you can still work on it at home.
So there's no excuse over.
Yes, exactly, because everything I do in this class will be recorded and uploaded, so there's no question for you to say, I did not get your lecture today, Mr. Nguyen, because I was out.
Wait, you're gonna do this every day?
Yes,
Every
day, just for you. So I don't want to hear excuses saying, I did not get it, Mr. Nguyen, you know, I was out, you know. No, that's not the case. Everything will be there for you to use.
So that's our homework right there.
Yes.
That's a lot.
Wait, we have
Okay.
to do that for
And by the way, I told you very specifically, this is Algebra 1, not readiness.
We said we
I'm
wanted-
looking for people who really want to, be successful, right?
That
So
was
you need to, oh, by the way, this is a review, guys. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing.
You said that we weren't gonna work on math until like 3 weeks. So.
No. We are working math behind our project. So we are still working on math. Okay? But we are taking math and built it right into our project.
Wow.
Just say the
That's why we call this a project-based learning. Okay? So keep that in mind.
Wait, this is a project?
Last year I was
This is not the project yet, but I'm getting you to feel what we're actually doing in this class. Okay. And you thought we were done, right? No, we're not done yet. Here's another one.
Oh
Exactly. Here we go. For new students as well, you need to look. On this left-hand side, many of you have finished this already, so good for you. But for Megan, she will have to start from scratch. You have to start with student info surveys, Megan. Get that. You see a form. You have to fill that out and submit. Here's a school loop. You also have to do the same thing. Exploring school loop. You have to fill out the form, submit. You have a school loop account already. You have to follow. Look, so you click on school loop. There will be directions for you to go through. Okay, and once you get to this step 6, you will fill out this form. Okay, and then, of course, if your parents have done this already, you will get your 4 points extra credit. If not, remind them. And then, of course, your last piece right here. New World Order, New York. This is another
I think it's
side assignments that I want you to work on in addition to your many assignments.
and then it's tomorrow. That new.
Hold on, just relax. I'm not done yet. So if you click on this one right here,
That's all to tomorrow.
relax. I will tell you. You will see the video clip right here. It's YouTube. I know we're being blocked, so you can't see it. But it will be there. You watch this video clip right here, and you answer 3 questions for me. Okay? And then once you're done, enter your last name and enter your first name, select your class period, and then hit submit. Okay? Good. That's it. Now I'm officially done.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
For the math homework, did we do it on a separate piece of paper or logged in?
Okay, let me tell you something. Can you do everything you had?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Good. Then you work your answer out on a piece of paper, and then you transfer answers onto the site.
Also, don't do any of the math. We can't do any of the math.
No, of course not. I just want you to answer, put in the answers in the box. So you would work out the problems. What happened?
Why can't
no.
Why can't you just do it with papers? If you want to, you can.
why can't we just
Oh, keep what paper?
Give me the paper.
Oh, yeah, exactly. If you want to give me the paper, you can. That's fine. I'm just giving you another option to do your stuff online and get it done over with. So that when you come to my class, you'd have to say, Mr. Nguyen, I dropped the paper somewhere. I can't find it. You know? Versus, I already got my stuff done. I submitted. I got a feedback from you saying that I had successfully submitted my form. So I can't go back. You know, of course, if you submit it, I will have a record of it. Okay? So, there is your brief overview of the site, the homework you're supposed to be doing. Any questions? Okay, so we're done with that for now. Okay, guys, so make sure, if you have any question on it, watch this video clip again, just to help you with, okay? All right?